And there are many, many ways that we have available to us that are more than just pharmacology when it comes to helping feel better from muscular pain and stiffness. Hi everybody, and welcome to Your Second 50, where I explore topics intended to optimize every body 50, 60, 70, and above. Hello, and welcome to Your Second 50. You are joining me in my 6-part series with the topic being how to immediately reduce muscle pain and stiffness if you are a man or woman over 65 years old. Welcome, everybody. I'm Judy Terrell, and you are joining me in the 3rd episode of my 6-part series on how to relieve muscle pain by using what I call behavioral medicine. Like we all know, you can take Advil and ibuprofen and prescription medications and anti-inflammatory medications, and they will temporarily relieve discomfort, but there's a side effect to those, one of which is it eats away at the stomach lining. It could result in some kidney and liver dysfunction if you're chronically using those medications. And for most of the clients that I work with who are over 65, who are having muscle stiffness and pain, that's not a long-term solution. And they like their organs. They like to keep them healthy and in shape as they age as well. So this series is about showing you and exposing you to some of the things that are available for you to use that require you to actively do something or apply something. It's behavioral medicine. So in other words, doing a behavior or using a product that you can get over the counter that can immediately start to bring relief, but not just from the symptomology of the pain and the stiffness, but like healing it from the ground up, okay? So today, my topic is far infrared light. All right, you probably have gone to the dentist and they're using it there. There's far infrared saunas. And if you are somebody, a man or woman over 65 or even younger, who's suffering from a chronic pain, muscle pain, or stiffness, then I would definitely advocate that you research where there is a far infrared sauna around your location. You can also have these built into your homes. That's a little costly, but it might be an option. And you could have access to far infrared treatment or application by going to a far infrared sauna. But for many of us, that is prohibitive. So what I'm going to show you is that now, thanks to technology and many other things that are benefits to us in our culture, we have available far infrared heating pads. All right, this one that I'm showing you right here is designed to go around your back. So these are the cells that would emulate the infrared. And this one in particular goes around your back. And then you would Velcro this around your middle. So it's hitting you right if your target area of stiffness and pain is in your lower back. But why I purchased this one to show you on this series is because this one happens to be designed in a way that you can also put it over a neck shoulder area and then Velcro it into position. I am so excited to announce Your Second 50.life. I have been working in the fitness industry with individuals, both men and women, over 50 years old for 42 years and really specialized in the last 10 on over 50. I'm over 50 myself by a long shot. And I've helped literally thousands of men and women both to lose the extra body fat that they gain in the second half of their life. 2, feel better in their own bodies energetically. I have helped people to reverse and eliminate health problems, high blood pressure, high cholesterol, pre-diabetes, symptoms of menopause, to name just a few. On this platform, you will have access to an entire body of resources, exercise videos, mini courses, eating plans that are specially designed for over 50 men and women because there's special needs for our demographic. And in addition to the virtual resources that you'll have access to if you join at any time that you'd like, you also have access to me for one-on-one coaching through a group coach call every month. So you can bring your specifics and we can address those as you're also getting information that is specific to the over 50 population. 50s, 60s, 70s, and now 80s is the demographic that I'm working with. So it's Your Second 50.life. WOURSECOND50.life. Go check it out. It might be the single best thing that you've looked at like in your second 50s. So it can also work to get at the neck, shoulder area. If you've got discomfort and pain here, you can also sit on this and put it around. So if you've got discomfort in the deep gluteal muscles or where the hamstrings insert into your butt, you've got pain there, you could wrap it around a thigh or a calf. You can wrap it around an arm. So these come in all different designs. Some of them are designed to go around like a shoulder sling, and that would be more comfortable than this one maybe for a shoulder, but that shoulder sling can't also be used on your back. So I am suggesting, if you're going to try this, to get, this is the back heating pad, all right, and it has far infrared light. So why am I advocating far infrared over a normal heating pad? I will tell you right now, a normal heating pad will help to bring more circulation and relieve some stiffness and tightness and pain in muscle groups. But the far infrared does things above and beyond that. So what the far infrared light, and by the way, far infrared light is part of the normal spectrum of light in nature. They have now consolidated it down and they come into your body through these cells. All right, you set a dial for how hot you want it. So you have a range that you can use on these heating pads. So if it's too hot for you, then you can lower it. If it's not enough, you can make it higher. Now, what far infrared light is going to do in your body, and why I am suggesting that you do this if you've got muscle pain and stiffness, is far infrared light is going to now not just bring more circulation into the area, which it does, but so does just normal heat. What the far infrared is going to do is it also stimulates the mitochondria in the cells, and that's where you're going to get some enhanced healing benefits. It is going to help to stimulate the cells themselves in that it stimulates the production of collagen and elastin. So the far infrared, unlike a normal heating pad, is going to try to expedite healing of an injury site, or where there's chronic just tightness and stiffness. Far infrared is also going to bring more relaxation into that muscle group that you have because of this increase of lymph fluid, which it also helps to stimulate. And by increasing the lymph fluid, you're also now, the lymph is what is a fluid in our body that will help to detoxify not the whole body, but like wherever it's going. So if the lymph is increased in the area you're having pain and discomfort, it's going to help to pull out some toxic heavy metals that we are all taking in through our food and our environment that might be adding to your injury site. So a multitude of extra benefits to using far infrared light heating pads above and beyond just heating pads. All right. So, these are available. If you Google, you'll find many, many sites to be able to purchase these. I call this behavioral medicine because it is a treatment, but it has to do with behavior. And I am trying to help all of us that are over 50, and I'm over 50 by a decade plus at this point. I know what it's like to live in an older body, but I want my second 50s to be even better than my first 50s. I'm planning to live a long time. If you are on this series and you're watching this episode, I'm guessing you're in the same mindset. I want to look my best. I want to feel my best. I'm sure you want to look your best and feel your best. And there are many, many ways that we have available to us that are more than just pharmacology when it comes to helping feel better from muscular pain and stiffness. All right, so this was episode number 3. I have 3 more to go in this 6-part series, so please be sure to watch the rest of them. And if you haven't seen 1 and 2, go back to those. Let's make our second 50 even better than our first. I'm Judy Terrell. Please check out my platform and my website. Google my name and you'll find those. You'll also get some information about that as we close this video. All right, everybody, be well. Thanks for listening, everybody. And if you'd like to have access to more of my resources, then you can reach me at Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. You can go to my new platform at yoursecond50.life. That is YOURSECOND 50 judyterrell.life or at my website, www.judyterrell.com.